let us continue with the below explanation here. So let us read first, then I will explain. Okay, the hormone that regulates the secretion of other hormones is known as the stimulating hormone. This includes thyroid stimulating hormone (TSH) and adrenocorticotropic hormone (ACTH). For example, TSH stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Okay, so hormones that act directly on target organs include growth hormone, oxytocin, and antidiuretic hormones (ADH). For example, DH acts directly on the bone. Okay, so from this table here, we can divide these hormones into two categories. Okay, stimulating hormone and also hormone that act directly on target organs. Okay, so for example, I start with the hormone that act directly on target organs. For example, growth hormone. Okay, so growth hormone, okay, when it acts on soft tissue and bone, so it will stimulate the growth, protein synthesis, and fat metabolism. So when it react with the soft tissue and bone, so this function will occur inside this target tissue lah, or inside the organs. Okay, so it will stimulate the growth of bone, okay, and the protein synthesis in the tissue and the fat metabolism in this whatever bones and soft tissue. So the function will be occur inside the target tissue. Same with the antidiuretic, for example, okay, antidiuretic ADH. So target organs is kidney tubule. So when it's act with the kidney tubule, so kidney tubule, the stimulates the absorption of water will occur in the kidney tubule. So the function will occur lah in the target organs. Same with the oxytocin, react on the uterine muscles. So when this oxytocin react with uterine muscle, it will stimulate the contraction of uterine muscle during birth. So the function will occur inside the target tissue. So this is the hormone, the category 1, hormone that act directly on target organ. Okay, antidiuretic, oxytocin, and also growth hormone. So another category, we have the TSH here, thyroid stimulating hormone, and adrenocorticotropic hormone (ACTH). So these two hormone, okay, for example, we take the thyroid gland. So the thyroid stimulating TSH will act on the thyroid gland, but the function will not occur in the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland actually will secrete thyroxine. It will stimulate thyroid to secrete thyroxine, to secrete another hormone. So thyroxine is hormone. So for this TSH, when act on thyroid gland, it will stimulate the thyroid to secrete thyroxine, another hormone, not do any function, okay, for growth or whatever, but it will secrete another hormone. Same with the ACTH. When act on adrenal cortex, it will stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete hormones. In this case, we have adrenaline, for example, in this adrenal cortex. So these two hormones are known as stimulating hormone because it will stimulate the target tissue or the organs to produce another hormone, to secrete another hormone. Compared to the growth hormone here, growth hormone when acts with the soft tissue and bones, it will stimulate the function. It will undergo the function will occur inside the soft tissue. Means the soft tissue will not secrete another hormone, but it will do the function will occur inside the soft tissue and bone. But for this STH and stimulating hormone here, thyroid stimulating hormone, they will have to stimulate the target tissues here to produce another or to secrete another hormone. Okay, so that is the difference lah between the stimulating hormone and also hormone that act directly on target organ. Okay, so next we have this hypothalamus secrete gonadotropin releasing hormone or GnRH. GnRH stimulates the pituitary gland to secrete FSH and LH into the blood. Okay, so for this one, for LH and FSH special case, because it will usually will be secret when the person or the people reach puberty. Okay, so maybe during the baby, the childhood, So this hormone will still not be secreted lah by the pituitary gland. Okay, so because you see the function here, ovary stimulate ovulation. So ovulation usually occur in menstrual cycle when you reach puberty. So during the baby, during the children, when you are in the childhood phase, so this hormone will not be secreted first. Will be not secreted lah, because still not reach the puberty. So when you reach puberty, what happen? So this hypothalamus, okay, hypothalamus. So hypothalamus, okay, we take this one. Okay, hypothalamus. Okay, hypothalamus above the pituitary gland, right? So we'll secrete GnRH. Okay, and then this GnRH will act on the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. So makes this also stimulate the pituitary gland here to secrete LH and FSH. Okay, so when this LH and FSH secreted into the into blood. So when it's secreted into the blood, so it will travel to the ovary, travel to the testis, travel to ovary, travel to the testis. So this one will occur when we reach, usually we reach puberty lah. So not all the time lah. For example, for such like growth hormone, usually all the time, because we will grow from baby to the children, become children, become teenager and so on. But for this one, special case, it will occur when we reach the puberty. So hypothalamus will stimulate the GnRH. Okay, maybe this time this first boy reach puberty. So what happened? Hypothalamus will secrete the GnRH, then it will stimulate the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland to secrete LH and FSH into blood. So then from the blood here, the LH and FSH will travel to ovary, travel to testis, ovary, testis, and then will do the function here. Ovulation for testis, stimulate secretion of testosterone. So usually during puberty, for the male, it will secrete the testosterone, okay, by the testis. Okay, same with the development of the follicles. Stimulate spermatogenesis. So during puberty, spermatogenesis will occur to produce the sperm. Okay, so this special case lah for this LH and also FSH. Okay, so that's all for this function of hormones.